Hello everybody, my name is Millie here with Pixie Dust Parade and I'm back with another dance tutorial. I need to thank everybody who so far has watched these. It's really making me so humbled and so happy, and that's why I keep doing them. Also, I dance because I love it, and the fact that you guys are watching it and supporting me and hopefully dancing along at home makes my heart so warm. I can't tell you. So today we're going to have a look at the chorus dance from The Greatest Show from The Greatest Showman. I previously mentioned there'll be quite a few musical dances because that's what I specialise in. And this one is two parts. There is the part that P.T. Barnum dances and then there's the part that the circus performers dance. I'm going to teach you the circus performers choreography. The important thing with this one is to put your own flair on it. So the whole point of the circus performers is that each of them is different. They each have their own abilities, specialisms and things that make them unique. And the important thing with this one is you need to find what makes you unique and you need to bring it into the dance. So if anyone is not quite familiar with where The Greatest Show fits in The Greatest Showman, it is the big opening number of the circus, and it's a big showy number, a big this is who we are and this is what we do, and that's the important thing about this dance, is you need to be confident, you need to be yourself, and you need to bring your personality into it. And that's quite enough of me rambling, so we'll get to learning The Greatest Show. The thing about this dance is it's very much in the arms. You need to have very strong arms to sustain the chorus to this dance. You still need to bring your feet into it. There's one bit in particular that your feet need to do. You also need to make sure that you have lots of space around you. This is important and you'll see why. This is going to take it from the chorus where the lines are to tell me do you want to go, and there's a lot of specific beats that these moves hit. So the first one is very simple. You're going to open your arms out wide, and this is called presenting. So present. And it's a very confident move. You need to put all of your personality into it. So present, throw your head back if you're feeling confident, throw your chest out. It's very much this is our circus, this is us, this is what we do. So first move, your feet should be planted stably for this first bit, and then they'll come into it in a bit. So present with your fingers, try and spread them out, make them as dainty as possible while you're doing it. So present, my fingers tend to come up. So it's, so tell me do you want to go, where it's covered in all the coloured lights, and with your right arm you're going to bring it around in a circle and then spread some glitter with your fingers over your head. And when you do it, you watch your fingers. So bam, spread the glitter and follow it all the way to the other side. And then with your arms out, you're going to swing your right arm. Your left arm's going to go down beside you. So it's on my hip like this. So you do go down, and at the same time this arm sweeps up to point at the ceiling, and you step to that side and point this toe behind you. So altogether that looks like bam, round, glitter, sweep, and then you do the sweep the other way. So sweep, and then we bring it back to this, presenting, and then you swing your arms in front of you with as much flourish and character as you can. So that, and then sprinkle or whatever you want to do for your circus performer. And step forward when you're doing it. It's like you're bringing all the audience in, basically. So in, and then arms back out. So you bring your arms out in a sweep and make as much flourish of that one as you want to. So forward and flourish, and just enjoy the feeling of all of this audience cheer that you're imagining in your circus. And then bring your arms down briefly in a floaty motion. And then it says, this is the greatest show. And on that one, same as we did before, you're going to present. But this time, your right leg crosses over your left leg, and that will make sense in a minute. So just on this, floating, and then bringing them down, and then present again, and cross your leg over. Because this time, you flick your hands around, and you spin on the spot, which is made easier by this leg crossing motion. Present, flick, turn, try not to lose your balance. And then you're going to bring your arms down and gallop on the spot like a horse, and then step forward and point like a trapeze artist, and back It's a rocking kind of motion, so you don't stay there. You rock forward and back, just like that. And this is where you bring your flair into it. So you're going to reach around and in front of yourself with a flourish, so you can bring your character into it at that point. So if you're feeling like light and dainty, like an acrobat or a trapeze artist, then you keep this light and feathery. Or if you're feeling like a strong man, then you can make it heavy. But the idea is we're presenting, again, there's lots of presenting in the Greatest Show. And then on the Greatest Show, again, you present. And it's all about having confidence and bringing your character into it. And yes, it's very heavy on the arms. Okay, so let's try it with the music. Try not to overbalance on the spin, I always do. So please forgive me if I do this time. There you have it, the Greatest Show chorus. There isn't a lot to show you with this one. It is mostly about bringing your character into it and enjoying yourself. So if you think you have what it takes to be a circus performer, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. I especially love doing this song because it means I can bring some character into it and really enjoy myself whilst doing the dance, and that's what I love doing. So if you are the same, drop me a comment and let me know. And also if you think of any ideas of songs that I can choreograph and teach you guys, please comment below because I love hearing from you. And until then, stay safe, stay home and enjoy yourself dancing.